Okay, it's videotaping, so, it's just been Christmas, right? And I just wanted to show you all the cool stuff I got for Christmas. I got awesome socks. Wait.
Those are Allie's.
No, these are mine. And I got this cool guitar. Look at it.
That's her videotaping point.
You always make videos either bragging or ranting about something.
And new guitar picks and a Wii.
Post it if it's mean.
Wii!
You have posted all the other mean videos. I know, but that's it. Those are these videos.
And Maddie's sitting there texting and being mean.
And I look terrible.
Aw, look how pretty she is. And that's her foot.
It's beautiful.
No, just to let you know, that's her foot, not her face. Okay.
Olivia, not to if you're mean. I told you.
Hey, Lydia, you want to play with me?
Olivia, I told you it's any of your video life.
No, Lydia. Allie, you want to play? We can play pool.
Fine. Wait, why aren't you posting it? You must post it.
Please stop.
It was right here. And
Say yay to post. Yay.
Are you going to come here?
Alright, bye.
Did anybody